Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Talking, the podcast where we talk, laugh, and learn English every day.
Yes, I'm David, and I'm very hungry today.
Haha, again? You're always hungry, David.
Well, today's episode is perfect for me because it's about food.
Yes, today we are talking about cooking.
We'll read a recipe, talk about ingredients, and even cook together.
So, get ready, listeners. Let's make English learning delicious.
Nice one, Olivia.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode with your friends.
Yes, and maybe listen while cooking. That's the best way to learn.
Good idea. So, David, what's for dinner today?
I'm thinking something easy. Maybe a sandwich or pasta?
Pasta, great idea. Everyone loves pasta.
Okay then, let's make a simple pasta recipe today.
Yummy! I can already smell it.
Haha, not yet, Olivia. First, we need the recipe.
Right. Then let's go to Bloom 2, Recipe Reading and Ingredients.
Grab your notebook, listeners. Time to learn some tasty and new words. Welcome back, everyone. We are in the kitchen now.
Yes, our English kitchen.
Haha, that's right. And today we are cooking pasta.
Easy, simple, and delicious.
So, Olivia, do you have the recipe?
Yes, I have it right here. Let me read it for you and our listeners.
Perfect. Let's learn and cook at the same time.
Okay, the name of the recipe is Easy Tomato Pasta.
Sounds good already.
Ingredients: pasta, tomato, olive oil, garlic, salt, and cheese.
Easy. Only 6 ingredients.
Yes, very simple. Let's repeat together, okay?
Pasta, tomato, olive oil, garlic, salt, cheese.
Now, let's talk about them one by one.
Good idea. Let's start with pasta.
Pasta is the main ingredient. You can use spaghetti, penne, or any type you like.
I like penne. It's easy to eat.
Because you don't need to twirl it.
Exactly. Okay, next, tomato.
Tomato gives color and flavor. We can use fresh tomatoes or tomato sauce.
I prefer tomato sauce. It's faster.
You and your fast food style.
Next, olive oil.
Olive oil is healthy and makes the pasta shiny.
And tasty. Don't forget that.
Yes. Then we have garlic.
Oh no! Vampire alert!
How about garlic makes everything better, even English?
Okay, good one. Okay, next, salt.
Salt is important. Just a little bit makes the flavor perfect.
And the last one, cheese.
Yay! My favorite!
Mine too. Parmesan, mozzarella, cheddar, I love them all.
Okay, let's repeat all ingredients again, nice and slow.
Pasta, tomato, olive oil, garlic, salt, cheese.
Now, let's read the simple recipe steps.
Great. Let's learn how to cook it.
Step 1. Boil water in a pot.
Easy.
Step 2. Add pasta and cook for 10 minutes.
Smells good already.
Step 3. Heat olive oil in a pan.
Careful, not too hot.
Step 4. Add garlic and tomato. Stir for 5 minutes.
I can do that.
Step 5. Add salt and mix with pasta.
Almost done.
Step 6. Add cheese on top.
Yum, that's my favorite part.
And done. Simple and tasty.
I think even I can make this.
Haha, we'll see.
Okay, listeners, now that we know the ingredients and the recipe,
It's time to learn some fun cooking verbs.
yes, words like cut, chop, mix, boil, and more. Okay, listeners, it's time to move and cook.
Yes, we are in the kitchen, ready to learn cooking verbs.
Cooking verbs are action words we use when we cook food.
Exactly. Let's start with an easy one. Cut.
When you cut something, you use a knife. For example, cut the tomato.
Yes, cut the tomato into small pieces.
Careful, don't cut your finger.
Don't worry, I'm a professional chef.
Really? Last time you forgot the sugar in your cake.
Okay. Let's move to the next verb, chop.
What's the difference between cut and chop?
Good question. Cut is general, but chop means to cut many times quickly.
Oh, like chop the onion.
Exactly. Chop the onion. Chop, chop, chop.
I can hear the sound.
Next verb, boil.
We boil water to cook pasta, right?
Yes, boil water in a pot. Easy.
And after that, we boil the pasta.
Perfect. You're learning fast today, Chef David.
Thank you. Okay, what's next?
Next verb is mix.
Mix the pasta with the sauce.
Yes, you can also mix eggs, mix sugar and flour, or mix salad.
Mixing makes food happy.
Yes.
And next is fry.
Ooh, that sound. Fry the eggs.
Be careful, don't burn them again.
Okay. I'll be careful.
Now, the next verb is bake.
Like bake a cake, bake cookies, or bake bread.
Yes, bake for 20 minutes in the oven.
I love the smell of baked bread.
Me too. So warm and yummy.
Next verb is stir.
Yes, you stir soup or stir the sauce with the spoon.
Like this. Stir, stir, stir.
Next is add.
Add salt, add cheese, add love.
I love that last one.
Cooking is always better with love.
Okay, next verb is pour.
Like pour water, pour milk, or pour the sauce.
Yes, but not pour too much.
I always pour too much oil every time.
That's why your kitchen is always shiny.
Exactly.
Okay, our last verb is taste.
My favorite part, taste the food.
If it's good, say yummy.
And if it's not good, say next time.
Good idea. Let's repeat all the verbs together.
Okay, ready?
Cut,
chop, boil,
mix, fry, bake, stir, add, pour, taste. Perfect. You're all amazing chefs now.
Yes, but don't forget to clean the kitchen.
That's the hardest part.
True. Okay, let's take a break and come back for something funny. Kitchen disasters and successes.
Yes, see you in Bellum 4, Kitchen Disasters and Successes. Welcome back, everyone. It's time for our last part, Kitchen Disasters and Successes.
This sounds dangerous.
Don't worry, no one gets hurt, just some funny stories.
Okay, I'll start. One time, I wanted to bake cookies.
Sounds delicious already.
Wait for it. I forgot to add sugar.
So you made salty cookies?
Exactly. My family smiled and said, "It's interesting."
That's family love. Okay, my turn. I once tried to make pasta for a date.
Aw, romantic. What happened?
Well, I boiled the pasta, but forgot the sauce.
No sauce? Just plain pasta?
Yes, it was dry and sad.
What did your date say?
She said, it's modern minimalism.
Good save. Okay, one more. I once tried to make soup, and it exploded.
Wait, what? How can soup explode?
I closed the lid too tight and forgot to lower the heat.
Olivia, your kitchen is an action movie.
Yeah, mission cook impossible.
Oh,
But it's okay. We all make mistakes in the kitchen.
exactly. Every disaster is a new lesson.
And the more you practice, the better you cook.
Yes, just like learning English.
Perfect example. You might make mistakes at first, but you get better every day.
That's the daily talking spirit.
Okay, listeners, before we finish, let's remember what we learned today.
We talked about food, ingredients, recipes, and cooking verbs.
And we laughed about some kitchen disasters, too.
Yes, because learning is always better with fun.
Thank you for listening to Daily Talking. We hope you had fun and learned something new.
And don't forget, subscribe, like, and share this episode with your friends.
See you next time for more English, more laughter, and more